Good morning, everyone. This is our project Akasha. We are Team Don't Stop. So what we have built is Akasha is an application that lets you communicate with people without internet access over Bluetooth. You can send text messages, you can send a photo, and you can send voice notes. You can send your live location. So what is the application of this software? This is for people who are stuck in situations where there is no internet and they need to reach central servers that can get them help. So what the goal is that one phone goes to another and sends a packet, and then that phone sends the packet to another device, and in this way, through a mesh, we traverse to the server. This server can help the person that is in distress to get some help. So I will explain the architecture. So see, there's the survivor's phone. It sends a message to the peer's phone, the other devices that are in the Bluetooth range, and then it goes to a phone which is called a gateway phone. Now, any phone can be a gateway phone if it is connected to Wi-Fi. So as soon as the peers, go through the network and find a gateway phone that is connected to Wi-Fi, it reaches the server. This server has a very big vector database. This database has the data about all the hospitals and all the police stations and resource camps where people can go and like get help. So what it will do is it sends the vector DB gets the location of the user right in the packet. So it sends back the data where the survivor or the person can go to fetch help. Now this is sent back through the mesh to the survivor's phone. Back over here, if you see to the survivor's phone, and over there is a local LLM. There is Gemma 3, which is a 1 billion sized model, which uses that vector to give the answer to the person. So I will now show you this in real time. So these are the two devices. So these two devices are connected to my app. If I type a message over here as hi, it just goes there to the other device. This is over Bluetooth. You can see that the Wi-Fi has been disabled on both the devices. So it just goes over Bluetooth. So now I will show you the AI. So this is the AI, and these are previous prompts, but I'll type a new prompt. I have a cut. I need a hospital. So once I send this, it immediately gives me the nearest hospitals. It gives me back. Even though this phone has no server, it's offline. It goes to the other peer because this has Wi-Fi enabled right now. So you can see that this goes to the Wi-Fi, and we can get the data from the server. So now we can see there's a prompt. This is a local LLM telling you what you can do, the first steps, and these are the things. Like you can open this in Maps and you can go there. So now I will show you. So now I will show you the emergency broadcast button. As soon as we click it, a broadcast goes out to the other devices, and yeah, you can see they start ringing. Oh my God, there's a lot of noise. Let me just disable all that. So once we disable the SOS on the remaining phones, it will ring all the phones in the mesh network. And now I will show you the database. Like the we have this database dashboard of Active. Here I will show you the data that is stored in the relational database. We can see it in the data browser what is being stored. See, there's Kolkata, there's fire station. We are storing this data. Address, Shodhpur, Panihati. We have stored the data near our college. So you can see there's Lal Bazaar, police station data, all of this. And then there are 53 vectors right now. We can obviously add more. And then these are the LLM datas. Like for the LLM to reply to the person, these are all text datas. So the fun thing is that all of this happens offline, and the embedder is on the phone, and all the messages are encrypted using cryptographic encryption, so it's not like a third party can enter. That is our
Okay, so the vectors are stored as 384 dim vectors. What this makes possible is hybrid fusion search. So we can merge text, photos, we can do multimodal because whenever we send a photo over here as an image, whenever we send an image, it gets the data gets transcribed into a vector and the context is being sent to Jim. So we have done that. And lastly, you can do an attribute search obviously because you can see all the attributes are in our database. So Jim obviously fetches that. And one of the standout features is you can call someone, like not someone, everyone on the network if you are in distress. Whenever we press this call button, yes, you can see the other one gets a notification. Do you want to join? And if they join, hello, and like it's audible. So it's just the app can record calls and you can talk to anybody on the network on a peer, no matter how much the distance is, because it will again go through BLE. So that's our project Akasha. We really hope that in the Indian use case, this finds a lot of use. Thank you.